Very good morning to all my students and welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss some of the question answers of chapter 10, that is respiration in organisms. The questions are multiple choice questions. So now let's begin. Now the first question is, sometimes when we do heavy exercise, anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscle cell. What is produced during this process? Option A, alcohol and lactic acid, B, alcohol and carbon dioxide, C, lactic acid and carbon dioxide, and D, only lactic acid. So what will be the answer? Which one is the correct answer out of these? The correct answer is option D, that is only lactic acid. The reason is the partial breakdown of glucose during anaerobic respiration, it produces what? Produces lactic acid. So the correct answer is lactic acid. Next, number 2. Yeast is used in wine and beer industries because it respires A, aerobically producing oxygen, B, aerobically producing alcohol, C, anaerobically producing alcohol, and D, anaerobically producing carbon dioxide. And what will be the correct answer? इन चारों में से correct answer कौन होगा? Correct answer is C, anaerobically producing alcohol. Reason is yeast are single-celled microorganisms that respire anaerobically. During anaerobic respiration, alcohol is produced. Due to this property, yeast are used to make wine and beer. So this is the explanation of that question. And the correct answer is C, anaerobically produce alcohol. Next, number 3. During the process of exhalation, the ribs move A, down and inward, B, up and inward, C, down and outwards, and D, up and outward. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, that is down and inward. And what is the explanation? During exhalation, the ribs moves down and inward and push the air out from the thoracic cavity. Next, number 4. Breathing is a process that A, provides oxygen to the body, 2, breaks down food to release energy, next, helps the body to get rid of CO2, and 4, produces water in the cell. So which of the following combination of statement is true for breathing? A क्या है? 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 1 and 3, and D is 2 and 4. So what will be the correct answer? इसका correct answer क्या होगा? नंबर 4 का क्वेश्चन में 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है और 2 कॉम्बिनेशन का आंसर सही है. So the correct answer is C, 1 and 3. What is the reason? Breathing refers to the process of inhaling air which is rich in oxygen and exhaling bad air which is rich in carbon dioxide through the respiratory organs. That is why the correct answer is option C. Next, question number 5. Fish breathe with the help of gills which are richly supplied with blood vessels. The gills help the fish to A, take in carbon dioxide dissolved in water, take in oxygen dissolved in water, absorb nutrients present in water, or D, release waste substances in water. So what will be the correct answer? यहाँ पर correct answer कौन सा होगा? The correct answer is option B, take in oxygen which is dissolved in water. So the correct answer is B, take in oxygen dissolved in water. Explanation: fish breathe with the help of gills. Gills are richly supplied with blood vessels. Gills help the fish to utilize the oxygen which is dissolved in water. So this is the explanation. Next question. Earthworms and frogs breathe through their skin, because of which the skin of both the organism is A. Moist and rough, B. Dry and rough, C. Dry and slimy, or D. Moist and slimy. So what will be the correct answer over here? The correct answer will be D, that is moist and slimy. What is the explanation? The skin of earthworm and frogs helps moisture and gases to easily pass through it. Therefore, their skin is moist and slimy. So, this is the correct explanation of that question. So, this is all for today.